An easy question asked in Amazon, Bloomberg, Meta and Google. Find value of variable after performing operations. And what is given to us? We are given a string array like this. And every string is an expression. What we have to do is, we have to assume that we have a variable x starting with 0. And we have to perform every single operation on this variable. If it is minus minus x, we already know that if it is minus minus x or x minus minus, the value is decreased by 1. Or if plus plus x and x plus plus, then value is increased by 1. Also, as a part of constraints, we are given that we can only have these 4 operations. So we don't have to validate our input and just perform operation while iterating over this array. So how do we iterate over the string array? We pick every string one by one. And why not I just directly pick the first character? If the first character is minus, just decrement the value. If the first character is plus, then increment the value. Or if not the first character, we can check the last character because it can be a postfix operator. Same for the last operators. If the last character is plus, increment the value. If the last character is minus, decrement the value. That's all we have to do. Just do the iteration and check for the first and the last character in every expression. In this way, we'll be able to solve it in order of n time. And whatever is the final value of x, that is something we have to return. So given is string array, return is an integer. And this is how the code will look like. String operations, check the first character. First character can be positive or negative, plus or minus, and perform the operation on x. Same for the last character, and in the end return the x. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.